Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to check if your CPU supports virtualization in Linux systems. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To determine if your CPU supports virtualization on a Linux system, Method 1, open the terminal. Type the following command and press enter. If the command returns a value greater than 0 or yes, it means that your CPU supports virtualization. Conversely, if the result is 0 or no, your CPU does not support this feature. Method 2. Open the terminal. For an AMD-V SVM, type the following command and press enter. If the output includes the SVM flags, your AMD CPU can run hardware virtualization. For Intel VTX, type the following command and press enter. If the output includes the VMX flags, your Intel CPU can run hardware virtualization. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.